Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss two-dimensional array. The data from two-dimensional array always display in tabular format. Let's see with practical here. Click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Click on the next. Write here project name, array demo, then click on the next and then finish. No. Alright. My project displayed under Project Explorer. Explore here my project. Right click on SRC. Click on the new and then take a Java class. Write here class name as a class 1. Check the public static void main method for main method and then click on the finish. My file is successfully created here and then come inside the main method. Declare two-dimensional array 2 and 2. Alright. First of all, you need to write here the data type and then two subscript and then array name and then new keyword and then data type and then this subscript represent the row means two rows and this subscript represent the column means two column means I have created two-dimensional array as a 2 row and 2 columns. Alright, and I am going to assign the value at the 0 index position, 0 row and 0 column position as a 10 terminated with semicolon, ARR 0 index position and 0 row and 1 column assigned to the 20 ARR 1 row and 0 column 30 assigned to the 30 and ARR 1 row and 1 column assigned to the 40 value. Alright. After that, in the next line, I am going to use the for loop int I equals to 0 for the print the value I less than 2, I plus plus, and okay, within this for loop I am going to use nested for loop int j equals 0, j less than 2, j plus plus, okay, and within this for loop write here the system dot out dot println and arr I and then j. This statement print the value onto the screen. Okay, well, we understand step by step. First of all, the value of I is 0. Check the condition. Condition is true. Control come to inner loop. Initialize the value of j as a 0. Check the condition. Condition is true. Control come to this statement. And the value of I is 0. The value of j is 0. So, at the 0 row and 0 column position, value is 10. So, with the help of this statement, we can print the 10 value onto the screen. Control again come here. Increment the value of j as a 1. After increment, the value of j is 1 and check the condition. Condition is true. Control again come here. The value of I is 0 and the value of j is 1. So, at the 0 row and one column index position, the value is 20. So 20 value will be printed onto the screen. Control again come here, increment the value of j as a 1. After increment the value of j is 2, condition is false. So control come to outer loop and increment the value of I as a 1. After increment of the value of I as a 1, check the condition. Condition is true. Control again come to the inner loop, initialize the value of j as a 0. Check the condition. Condition is true. Control again come here. And at this time the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 0. So at the 1 row and 0 column index position, the value is 30. So the 30 value printed onto the screen. Control again come here, increment the value of j as a 1. After increment the value of j is 1. Check the condition. Condition is true. Again control come here, and at this time the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 1. So at the 1 row and 1 column index position, value is 40. So the 40 value will be printed onto the screen. Control again come here and increment the value of j as a 1. After increment the value of j is 2. So condition is false. Control again come here. Increment the value of I as a 1. After increment the value of I is 2. So condition is false. So control go outside of the loop. And the value of array will be printed onto the screen successfully. Save it and run it. Okay, output displayed by this person 10, 20, 30 and 40. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.